that material, that customer is giving the order, so they are going to VA01. That is what we are doing, the design, back end design and front end operation. Back end design is our job, front end operation is who is going to use that application, right? Suppose we are supporting to Sony client tomorrow. So we are going to design. If already designed, we are going to support to their business operation. That's it. That is a support project. Okay. So ultimate target, both we are learning here. VA01 is the T code to create the sales order. So if Walmart is coming, VA01, they will go to VA01 and create the sales order. How they are going to create? What is the document type? That's what we have created, order type. How to create that? Where you can see that. That and all we understood. VO V8 screen level. Okay, sales document type. Type it. Sales doc type. Right side. Left side sales doc type.
1 minute, sir.
Left side. Column
It's not
F.
coming. Sir, 1 minute.
No, close that and again you come back otherwise. Okay. Sales doc type. Tab. You can use the tab or expand that F column. Expand that little expansion. Okay.
1 minute, sir. No, that is also, I don't know. Maybe some issue with the thing. It is not coming for me properly. That's
Okay.
okay. Sales doc type Vivo V8,
Sales
right?
document CAOR. No.
Okay,
CAOR.
okay.
We
I
are in
have marked now.
VA01. We are checking VO V8.
CAOR.
Capital letters. You can enter caps. CAOR. It looks good actually. CAOR. Yeah. And VA01
Sir, your voice is
and
breaking, sir.
you can VA01 also you have to keep capital
Yes.
letters. You can put the colors,
Sure, sir.
yellow color.
Sir.
VA01 and create that. You just select that 2, 3 rows.
No, then I'll just move this CAOR this side and sales document this side. So they will be.
No.
Uh,
No. Fine. CAOR, right? This is the document type. So tomorrow in real time, that might be OR or ZOR. 99% that will be ZOR. Okay. So sales document type. Where we will create that ZOR, where they created. Suppose you joined, they already in SAP. Where they created in Vivo V8. That we already learned. Okay. How we created our own document type. Tomorrow, if they will ask you to create a ZOR, we will copy from OR and create our own document type. Our own means whatever they required, ZOR. Next, sales area. Sales area. CA00 slash CA00. Use the tab, I think.
CA00.
CA00 slash C5 slash C5. Yeah. So this is the sales area. See, and if they are running their business in 10 countries, suppose 10 countries, VA01 is the common T code. Sales document type also common, and there is no separate document type for each country. Any country
Sir, your voice is breaking, sir.
We couldn't able to hear you, sir. Okay, maybe network issue. I think he'll rejoin in, I think, in 1 or 2 minutes.
Now is okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine.
Sir,
Now is okay? Everyone?
it's
Yes, sir, better.
Okay, fine. So, what I'm trying to say, So any country, Sony India, they are going to use sales area related to India, IN00. If Sony Singapore, they are going to use Singapore code. Sony Malaysia, they are going to use Malaysia code. That's why enterprise structures are different. Okay. So if they have 100 countries, their business in 100 countries, 100 enterprise structures are there in real time. Okay. If they're running their business in one country, suppose now I'm working for a Europe region. So they are not implemented for all the countries. They implemented for a few: Germany, Turkey, Italy, Netherlands, UK. That's it. 6, 7 countries. 6, 7 enterprise structures are there. Okay. So next, customer SP/SH. SP/SH. Right side. You just give 8 lakhs or something. 8 lakhs. 8 lakhs or 800 lakhs or whatever. Yeah. Sold to and shipped to. Next, material. CA123A. Right side, 10 quantity. Material right side. Material right side, 10 quantity. 10 quantity. Or 1 quantity or 10 quantity. Right. You just hold on. C&D. Up to here, we have designed. Am I right? Enterprise structure, we have. Customer is there. One customer or 100 customers. We can able to create the sales order. Material also available. Sales document type and control also available. Then what we require to create the VA01? Price. At what price you have to sell this product? Opposite and 10 quantity opposite. Column I or J. J. You can enter J. 120 euros. 120 euros. How it will come in the E column? J. K column. K column. Sorry. K column. 10 into 120. How much it will come? 1200 euros. 1200 euros. Okay. How it will come, Andy? If you are going to shopping mall, you know, right, at a billing level, they'll swipe your product. Okay, product is a Colgate or whatever, Pantene or whatever. Then they will enter the quantity. Manually, they will enter how many quantities you purchased that product. They will enter price, our system will pick the price. Or they enter, our system will pick. Any
System.
guess? System will pick. Sorry, Shravan. No, where you have given MM01? Okay. MM01 is a inventory price. That is not a sales price. Inventory is different from sales. Inventory means cost. Inventory always cost, right? Yes. Inventory always cost, right? See, 1 lakh value of product is there in the plant. That is a 1 lakh original product value. But if I am selling that 1 lakh product, I may get it 1 lakh 20. That is the margin. 20,000 is the margin. Am I right? Yes or no? See, inventory is always cost price. Sales order level is always sales price, selling price. This is a sales, that is a MM. Okay, MM model, material management model. Okay, that is the only cost. So it will pick by system automatically, right? Who will maintain that in the shopping mall? If you are going to shopping mall, whoever is standing at a billing counter, they are not a deciders. They don't know even what is the price of that product. Simply they will check in the system and they will tell. If you are asking what is the price of that product, they simply tell, sir, it is updating 120. Why it is updating if you are asking? Sir, I don't know. That is picking from the system. Have you experienced it or not? That's why. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Hello? Sometimes they'll put some data, some details actually in the rack level. It is showing 110 no. Then, but it is showing 120 in the system. What will happen? We are asking, hey, there in the rack level, they put the board 110 rupees, but why system is picking 120? They don't have answer. They'll say, I don't know, sir. System is taking 120. If you want, I can proceed. Otherwise, I will cancel. Have you experienced this word?
Yeah.
Have you experienced it or not? You people. I experienced it
Yes, sir.
in the shopping mall. Star Bazaar or a D-Mart. Sometimes they'll not change in the system. Okay. Who is going to change? There is a department, master data team. At what price we have to sell that product. So in the system only they will set up where they will maintain left side column B. Come to column A or B. Side. Little up,
Yes, sir.
little up. 4, row number 4 or somewhere
Okay.
else you can. You just include some more
Okay.
insert. You just insert to a few more, 3, 4
Sir.
rows. Yes, enough. Yeah, insert. Yeah. So come to row number 7. Row number 7. VK 11. VK 11. Maintain the condition record. See, and very important pricing concept. Okay, it's a good concept and the heart of the sales order. See, VK11, this is the T code. So by practice, you can able to remember and don't worry. VK11 level condition type, enter condition type or enter something PR00, 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 right side condition type. For pricing, PR00 and there is no rule. SAP has given PR00. See, name itself, I think PR price. That's why you are supposed to remember PR00 is the standard condition type for pricing. If you are asking, sir, for discount, for tax, for freight, for other kind of discounts, we have a separate condition types. How it is OR for sales, for return RE. Same way, condition type level also, there are a few condition types for each area. Okay, pricing PR00 standard. Okay, in real time they may go with current. In my current project and we are using ZPR. That's it, 3 digits, 4 digit space is available, but we are using ZPR. Okay, so PR00 down, enter sales organization, sales org, you can enter enough. Sales org. Next, distribution channel, right side. This channel dot dist channel. Okay. Next division. Huh? That way you can maintain. How you
Okay.
maintain?
You are saying okay, sir.
Okay. How you why you maintain mixa? Distribution channel, division, both are same. How you
No,
have practiced?
no, for sales organization. 1 minute, sir. No, I
How
got
you
confused.
maintain? How you maintain the condition records?
First customer we will give and sales organization distribution channel. Customer
No.
will come mention. Sir. When
Come
we
on.
go to VK11,
Sales are first, right? Why
sales
customer
organization.
first?
Sir?
How you maintain? That's what I'm asking.
See, when we
How
click
you
on
maintain?
VK11, sales organization, distribution channel, division, and last it will pick customer number. And then we need to give the material, maintain the price.
Correct. That's why you have to enter. Sales org, distribution channel, division, right side, right? Division in such a case. Why you are entering in the down? Division. Next customer. Next material. Next amount. This is what, right? You have maintained.
Sir.
Then why you confused? Next amount. Yes. Okay. Now, just maintain the entry. NL00. NL00. Next NL. Next NL.
Customer.
Next 8 lakhs. 8 lakhs. Next material. NL. Same
I
material.
just give.
You can say same material.
That's what I just gave, sir.
Same material. CA 123A. Material
Then
is only one. No. You just enter. Material, you just enter. See, Sony X model is there. You can buy from India, you can buy from US also. Am I right?
Yes, sir. Correct.
Material is same. But where is the difference? In Amazon also, Amazon India, Amazon US.
Mm.
Amazon India, Amazon US. Same product is available. Different price. 150. You can enter 150 euros. 150 euros. Now tell me, Andy. Question to everyone. Make it highlight, Andy. VK11, that line yellow. You can make it highlight yellow. That line, three columns at least. Okay. Right side. Okay. Then make it yellow. That row number 9 also. Fine. Now question, Andy. Everyone. If they will maintain like that, and they'll go to VA01, create the sales order with the sales area CA00, this price will pick or not? Yes or no? Why? Okay. Customer is same, right? Then material is same, right? That customer can buy. Customer is 8 lakhs. Our sales organization CA00. Okay, confused. Okay. Okay, then even few more. Okay, how we are comparing? Exactly. You are right. Netherlands sales office. Suppose Netherlands Sony, one sales is coming from the customer. If they'll go to VA01, what they will use sales area in Netherlands? NL00. Am I right? Yes or no? Everyone understood how Shravan is understanding. Same understanding I'm expecting from everyone. Clear? Ishwar, Shravan,
Yeah.
everyone, of course. Others, Nandini, Sudha, Meena,
Yes, sir.
everyone.
Yes, sir.
See, Netherlands, Sony. We are talking about Sony. Netherlands, Sony, Canada, Sony, like that. So, Netherlands sales office, any order is coming. Sorry. So, exactly. See, Netherlands Sony office, if they are going to create a sales order with sales area NL00, system will pick 150 or not? It will pick. Why? Because for that country, there is a condition record. The combination is there. Netherlands, it will satisfy, and remaining customer and material also. Then in our case, suppose if you are going to create a sales order with a CA or whatever CA00, system will not pick. System will throw an error. Pricing is not maintained. Even customer and material is satisfied, but sales area is not satisfied. Sales area is a higher level. If they'll maintain the simply condition the customer and material combination, then it will pick. But here combinations are sales area also there in the combination law. So system will validate based on your sales order data with the condition record values. If satisfied, then it will pick. Then how they are going to maintain? See, they can sell that same product. See, in the Amazon also, you are the customer, material also same. If you want to buy in the Amazon US portal is there. Amazon.in we are using. Amazon.us also there. You can check it out, same product. It might be different value. Mean to say, cost is different. Am I right? Did you check anytime?
Yeah.
So it's a cost is different. Same way, same customer, same product. If you are buying in the Canada, might be 120. If you buy that same product in Netherlands sales office, it might be 150. Like that, they are going to maintain and their decision. Master data team is there from client side. They are going to maintain, but we are going to guide them. This way, you are going to create the sales. This way, you have to maintain combination, whatever they require combinations. This way, they are supposed to maintain the data to pick the price into sales order. One more entry and you can enter. Row number 11, CA00, C5, C5, same customer and same material. This way, in real time, and multiple number of condition records are there. Different combination, different distributors, different product lines, different customer, different material. So different combinations, they will maintain the price. 120 euros. 120. So now see, our system is checking. Enough funny. So VA01 level, whatever data they are going to use, that data should be satisfied with the condition record to pick the price. It will go to the first line, not satisfied. Second line, it will satisfy. It will pick the 120 euros into your sales order. This is the end user job. This is the master data team. Understood? Clear? Clear?
Yeah.
Later on. So front end is a, see, up to this, if they want to create a sales order, what all things are required? Enterprise structure is required, sales document type required, customer is required, material is required, and pricing is required. These five are the major concepts to create the sales order. Next, where is our job? This is the master data team. This is the end user. But we have to design something to maintain the condition record. So that is what above. Go to row number 1. That is a condition techniques. See, and all words are similar, seems to be condition techniques, condition records, condition type, like that. Even one more word it will come, condition table. So step 1 is just select that both rows, right? You can make it color.
1 minute, sir.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Step 1, there are 5 steps and that's called condition techniques. They will ask you in the interview, what is meant by condition techniques? Based on your learning, based on your practice, you supposed to remember. Condition techniques contain condition table, access sequence, step 3, condition type, see, all are seems to be similar, right? Condition techniques, condition table, condition type, condition records, pricing procedure. Next, step 5, pricing procedure determination. These 5 are the basic design for pricing. This is our job. Yeah. In the down only. Yes. No, down only. Down only. Go down. Fine. So these 5 steps. See, these combinations I will explain in tomorrow class only. Don't worry. So I will take it up. Okay. Don't worry. I am going to share my screen. I'm traveling to my some city. Okay. Don't worry. Ongol. So tomorrow I will explain these 5 steps. What is the relation? Without these 5 steps, you cannot able to maintain the condition record. System will not calculate any value in the sales order. These 5 are the design. This we will call it as condition techniques. Any doubts? Of course, I will explain you. Don't worry. 5 steps. Okay. In generally, did you understand or not? Very generic. Oh, one sales order is there. Okay, condition technique. Condition records is there to pick the price. How they will maintain normally, like that combinations.
Yes, sir. In general, we have already understood.
It's clear, right? So tomorrow I will explain you. Don't worry. I will explain that very, very clearly about that condition techniques and what are the 5 steps and what is that even each and every step of meaning. Okay? I will explain you. Okay. So sorry for inconvenience. Okay, these 2 days. Okay. Uh, okay. I will close now. So tomorrow I will explain you. Okay, clearly even. Thank you so much. That's it for today. You just go through that book. Okay, pricing concept. It is there 4-5 pages. Okay, at least now you can go through. You can understand. Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thanks, Sai.
It's okay, sir.